Hello everyone, I welcome you all to vocabulary session 4. Today again we are going to learn 20 important words which may come in your CLAT 2020 examination. What is bestial? The meaning of bestial is behaving like a beast, brittle. Now you must have heard word bestiality in your legal reasoning section. Bestiality means animal form which is banned in India, and bestial means animal that is behaving like a beast, brittle. Corrugated, that means highly folded. If you have seen a box, so box is highly folded to give support, right? Enduring is lasting, long lasting. Okay. Hallowed, that means worship, consecrated, that means to make holy. Juxtapose, that means place next to. Now I would like to give example of this word juxtapose. Juxtapose means when two different objects, okay, when you place them together for contrasting effect, that is known as juxtapose. You must have seen walls, artist makes painting on walls, so that is nothing but it is juxtapose. Novice, a beginner. Unexperienced, we say in Cairo. So if I say he was completely novice in foreign affairs, that means he was unexperienced. A beginner. Placebo, harmless medicine with no effect, dummy medicine. Now placebo means when you give something to a person, okay, and you say that this is a medicine, okay, and you will be okay after eating this, just to give them a mental relief, okay, that is known as placebo, dummy medicine. Remorse, regret. If I say feeling of sadness, okay, sorrow, contrition. Tactile, that means concerned with the sense of touch. Now I would connect this tactile word which with tangible word which we have learned already in our previous section. So what is the meaning of tangible? I have told you that there are two words, that is tangible and intangible. What is intangible and what is tangible? So what is tangible and what is intangible? So intangible means something that is not physically present, and tangible, that means sense of touch, physically present. Concerned with sense of. Next word is zenith. Zenith means summit. Now zenith means if there are two meanings of zenith. A time, a particular period of time uh, when someone is very powerful or someone is very successful. That period of time is known as zenith. But there is another meaning of zenith. Zenith means if in a sky, above the observer, a point in a sky, okay, celestial body, that is known as zenith. And summit is also, that is highest peak of mountain, that is summit. Berated means scold or criticize. And see, if I say I berated him for his laziness, that means I scolded him for his laziness. Okay, if I say why do we berate our children, that means why do we scold, why do we scold our children? Corpulent, fat, endurance, we have read what is the meaning of enduring. Enduring means long lasting, endurance means staying power, patience, stamina. Hackneyed, common, overused. The meaning of jurisprudence, that means study of law or science of law, that means theoretical study of law. Novel, that is new, unusual. If I say novel coronavirus, that means new, unusual. Placate, the meaning of placate is to make less angry. That means pacify, soothe, calm. Relegate, that means dismiss to a lower position, or if I say transfer to a lower position. taciturn, he is a taciturn, that means he is a reserved person, he speaks less, saying little, quit. Zealot, fanatic, okay, that means to have a strong opinion about something and making others have them, okay, that is zealot. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.